Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I just did a video on this pattern and I thought it would clone, but it won't clone, or I haven't figured out how to make it clone. But I thought this would be a pretty good video to make something on the clone tool. So I've got that same thing. This is part 2 if you haven't watched it. We're going to take the interactive fill tool and we're going to add some yellow. And what the clone tool is going to do, well, I'm missing some white up there. I got white up there. I put sometimes it's hard to, the transparency tool gets in the way. So we're going to leave it like that. Now we're going to go up to edit and clone it. We're going to move one of them out of the way. This is a clone curve. This is our control curve. So we're going to put it out of the way. Control D, put the node there and rotate it 120 degrees. Control D. And then we can control D as many times as we want with this. And watch what happens when I'm going to control D and then I'm going to mirror it and I'm going to put that right. I need to get that point. So let's say, well, let's do a couple more. Control D, get that point right there and just kind of move it to one of these points. And you can just keep going. But now let's look what happens when we change the clone tool, or change the clone itself. Let's do that. Look at the difference. You're watching it in real time, what's going to happen. Let's add a little blue between those yellows. It's almost looking like looking through an old spiral graph machine. There's a lot you can do with the clone tool, and it makes life easy to, to figure out. I mean, look at that. You could really play around with this and have a lot of fun in some colors. Just move the green around, almost something like Christmas. Bring that in tighter. I mean, it looks like it's just minutely changing the pattern, but you can see it, what I call in real time. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.